Hello all. So let's begin with another lead code question, and today's lead code question is score after flipping matrix. So you are given m cross n binary matrix and it is named as grid. So this is one, two, three rows and four columns. We can say 3 cross 4 binary matrix grid is given to us. What they are what they are saying is a move consists of choosing any row or column and toggling each value in that row or column, that is changing 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So basically we need to do change the 0 to 1 and 1 to 0 based on some conditions. So let's see what's that. Every row of the matrix is interpreted as a binary number, okay, 0 or 1. And the score of the matrix is the sum of all these numbers written the highest. So every row of the matrix is very important. Every row of the matrix is interpreted as a binary number, okay. So this is the first row, second row, third row. So the summation of all the binary values of the first row. So convert that binary into decimal, then second row and third row, and that will give you the answer. So we need to return the highest possible score after making any number of moves, including 0 moves. Okay. Okay, so let me just quickly show you what binary looks like. So in the binary, we have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. All are 2 raised to, and we can consider 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. So if I'm writing like this 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and at 32 I'm placing 1. So if you consider this as a one row, so then its value is 32. Now if you consider this is to be second row, and the second row values are like this 1 1 1 1 1, and if you make the summation of all the above entries, then it will give you 31. Okay, so as we need to maximize the result of a row, as you can see from this example as well. Okay, putting the first bit, so this is called MSB means most significant bit. Okay, most significant bit. This is the least significant bit, that is LSB. So if you just keep the MSB as 1 and keeping all the entries 0, we're getting the maximum result. Even in the second case, I'm just keeping MSB 0, but keeping all the other values as 1, I'm not getting the maximum result. So from this intuition, we can say that we need to make the first column of the matrix as 1 anyhow. That will maximize our result. Okay, so let's take this example. This is one question. If it is given to us, what we need to do first? Make the first column as 1. That will maximize the result. Okay. Now let's see if there are any more optimizations in that. So you can also see that there are two zeros and one one. So we can also flip this column to get 1 1 1, right? So there will be the two steps involved in solving this problem. First step is the very good intuitive step, that is making the first column as 1. That will give make our chances of maximizing the matrix great. Okay. Now for the second approach is the first column is done. Now traverse from second column and find that if the number of zeros are more than the number of ones, as you can see here, the number of zeros are more than 1. So it is better to flip this, okay, to get the maximized result. So I have flipped it. So this is all the intuitions all about this. Now let me move back to the code. Okay, so this is basically the binary. We are saying that if it is 1 1 1 1 1, what will be? The value will be 15. How? So this is 1, this is 2, this is 4, this is 8. If you sum 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, that will be 15. So this is 15. Similarly 9, similarly 15. Okay, as I've shown here. So if I move quickly to the code, I guess you can code this well, and I suggest you to code it on your own after getting the intuitions and the questions, the solutions. So don't jump into the code, try to write your own. Okay, so now this is the code. If you don't able to do it right, so first we will try to do first column all has 1. So we will try to ensure that first column has 1 as mentioned in this step. Okay, so this will do that. Then optimize column for maximum number of ones. So if we'll check if any column after the first column has, this is the column, right? It has more number of zeros, then you need to maximize that, then flip that column. This is what it is done here. And at last, when you have the final matrix, do the total, right? Check the row, do the total. So as I mentioned here, total will be done based on this 2 raised to m. So this is how this question is, very simple and a great one. Just it involves some binary and some math. Yep. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.